What's going on, guys? You know it. This is your boy Tyree back again with another video. It's today's Doordash vlog, man. I'm working out in Waterbury, Connecticut. And guys, give my video a like, give that video a thumbs up because it helps with the YouTube algorithm. So every time folks likes my video, it's gonna boost it up, it's gonna be recommended, and it's gonna say, hey, this is a recommended video to watch. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos, you guys are gonna be the first one to be notified, okay? So in today's Doordash vlog, I'm heading out to, like I said, Waterbury, Connecticut. I'm picking up a drive order for $35. You can check it out right now. Not bad. But guys, oh man, we're gonna be talking about this today, man. Oh, you're in for, you want me to say it? Now, my morning was good until something shady Doordash did to me, but it's gonna get fixed and it's gonna get approved. And I want you guys to take note. All you Doordash drivers, whether you're Doordash or Uber Eats doing deliveries, I want you guys to take note of this as well. And check this out. After I approve and accept the order scheduled from yesterday and confirming the order for that $35 order that you guys saw, check how much after I approve it, right? And guess how much is it? Yep, $13.61. Could you believe it? And a funny thing is too, guys, I always screenshot the orders. Always screenshot it upon accepting. If you guys are doing drive orders like myself, like catering drive orders, or just regular orders, screenshot it because it could be a different amount, and that's not cool at all on my part. I don't travel for short penny, like couple of dollars. I like to do like good orders, like $30 orders, $40 orders, $50 orders that I'm so used to already in my backyard in the city area. You know, so it's kind of crazy that Doordash is doing this. Sucks, right? It really sucks. But I'm already almost there already in a pickup truck as well. I'm with my beautiful girlfriend right here as well. Say hello to the...
Hey guys.
This is my girl Jess right here. She's in my episode. So I'm about to, like right now, we should be there in another 20 minutes. So about to see what's up at this location. You know, that's why me personally, I don't like to just stay in one market. I like to branch out in different markets as well. Like I'm looking forward to doing again in Puerto Rico again, you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. A couple of months ago as well, I did a Doordash out in Puerto Rico. But I like to spread my horizons and hit other markets. I'm not like everyone to just stay in one market. I'm a traveler, so I like to hit other markets, which is extremely important to me. So we about to head to there. We'll be there in 20 minutes, like I said. And stay tuned, and we're gonna see what this place is all about, guys. So stay tuned. Peace.
20 minutes later.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm at the location. All right, this is the Salvation Army, right? Yes. All right. So we're gonna be loading this right here. Right here, I gotta do 25 items and stuff like that. Oh, this is we doing a good deed. That's very important. We're doing a good deed and stuff. You know, so we're doing a good deed. This is my. What is your name? What's your name?
Captain James.
Captain James. Yeah. Nice to meet you, man. Captain James. Shout out to Captain James right here. All right. Well, we're gonna get the things done. I could use this car too to start loading as well. I'm about to do this. Load this up, guys. All right. Let's load this.
Quarantine population.
I know, man. It's getting crazy right now in quarantine, man. You know. but we gotta make it happen, you know. And thank God I have a truck. You know, so I gotta load things up a bit as well. So look at this, I'm unloading up right now, guys. So let's see, I can bring up. Wow, where is this coming from? This right here. Oh, that's in there. Oh wow, yeah. So all right, so stay tuned, guys. I'm about to get this work done and make it happen. What's up, guys? How you doing? You know, this is Tyree. I'm at the truck. Look at this, guys. All this, right? My girl's helping me out. We doing this together. You see the surprise? You see the surprise Doordash is doing for me? I didn't even know it was this much orders as well. So we making it happen. We doing it. Right, right, babes? We doing this? Yeah. It's a team. Teamwork, all teamwork. Look at all of this.
Right
you loading right here?
Behind you.
Right here? All right. All of this, we're getting it done. We're making it happen, look. Right? Oh. They thought they was gonna pay me. Yes.
You're gonna have to put this one so I can have another line.
Oh, it's on another line?
Bang, like this.
See. Oh, perfect.
Because you have to put another one.
Oh, yeah. Let's do that. Get things going. So we doing it. We're doing it, guys. We're making it happen.
Put it closer.
Put closer, right? Oh, okay.
Put this one closer.
We're closer right here, yeah.
No,
So we're making that.
Okay.
So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So other people, they doing the thing too. So right here. So we got 25 as well. It's a big. This is big. This is a workout, guys. They were gonna pay me $13.61 for all of this right here. It's crazy. And good thing we had a truck.
The lady said hers is $25.
How's this 25?
Yeah.
Nah, mine's is 35.
I think, one more than me.
So yeah, I'm not getting paid all of this for $13 and making it happen. So
wow, thank God we have the truck.
right, babes? Thank God what?
We got the truck.
All right, say anything you want to say to the camera?
Babe,
She does.
guys, always, like my boyfriend said, this video must to see. Don't let DoorDash or nobody else fool you up.
Yeah.
Make sure you screenshot that every time you get any order that is $35 and all, whatever order it is, because they're trying to get people.
Yep.
Come on, man.
All right. About to hop down. Look at this. All of this load up.
One more right here.
We got one more. All right. So we got one more spot for that as well. We could put it right here. Look at her. Hold on. All right. You can come right here, baby. You put it right here. I got you.
My phone about to fall out. Hold this.
I got it right here.
My finger, babe.
I got it.
Oh, wow. They all fit.
We got it. It's gonna happen. So we about to head right on to the destination. This is how it's done. Imagine if I had, if we just had just a car. Car couldn't do all of this. We had to do multiple trips. We're doing this on one single trip, which is cool. We got the truck. So let's get right into it and make things happen, guys. So stay tuned.
5 minutes later.
Try. ¿Esto lo hacen todos los weekends?
Perdóname.
They do it every weekend?
No, once a week.
Oh,
Once a
okay.
week on Thursdays. But they're going to do October. They haven't told me what day yet. We're doing October too.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's wonderful for that.
I love it, yes. You're welcome. Look at that, you got more help now. Oh, es que él tiene un canal por eso, YouTube.
They can have that. Anytime, so we gotta get things to them, man. We want to make sure everyone gets their stuff. It's all about doing a good deed, giving back. What's up, guys, man? I was a little occupied. I was on the phone and stuff, so we knocked these 25 boxes out as well. Like, you know, so right here, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Let me show you. So these are the boxes and stuff. They were so awesome. They put all the boxes down. Zoom right here.
Everybody was helping.
Everybody was helping. They was participating
They
as well.
was really happy because this is like I believe this is
Yeah. Something to say, man?
yeah, this is for not, how you say that? For older people?
Yeah, the elderly.
The elderly, yes,
Yeah, the elderly
please.
people, yeah.
And they do this once a week.
So they do it once a week to this. So this is my first time at this location from the Salvation Army. So it's all about giving. So this was a good drive and all, but it's just the pay has to adjust. I just finished it and it was still $13.61. So that's getting situated. I'm gonna keep you posted on that as well, because it's a must approval. I'm not gonna do like 25 boxes for $13.61. No, 37 versus.
Even though it was a good deal.
Yes, it was good, but they gotta fix that. You know, we agreed on this. It's like signing the contract. We sign, and then when we confirm everything, is a different payment. So they have to own it up. Doordash has to own it up and pay. That's it. Simple. So I keep you guys posted on that. And guys, stay tuned. I appreciate you guys following me, all my loyal and new subscribers as well. Shout out to you guys. Feel free to leave comments below as well. And God bless. Stay safe. Wear the mask as well. And peace out.